Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A94 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's just open the Play Store application and here in search bar let's enter green Apple keyboard. And now let's tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open, click enable in settings. And after that, here tap to the switcher near the green Apple keyboard, tap to activate, go back, tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the English United States keyboard. Now the process is finished here and let's go here, for example, into the app search to see the look of our new device keyboard. And we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone as they all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.